how you can add the servers to the WarmupIP. As soon as you log in, you can see the get started. Here, you can buy the licenses if you would like to from G Suite and Office 365. This is all automated, and you can add the domains if you wish. But if you have any confusion anywhere, just let us know. We can help you. We can onboard you smoothly. If you would like to buy new domains and to warm up them, if you have already domains, all this is self-guided that you don't need to get confused. Like you can go step by step and you can add them. But if you have a servers already with you, and then it's very simple process that you can add. Just click here, add warm up servers, and as soon as you add warm-up servers, you will be seeing all the stats. We will discuss anyways about the stats. Now click on add new server. So here you can add SMTP. Go here and you can import as many as SMTPs at one go, or else click here and then just feed the host name, SMTP username, and SMTP password and port. It could be 587 or something. You need to enter either SSL or TLS. You can ask your network engineer or the email service providers. It is must SSL or TLS. Okay, once you add, save, and then do a proper test, send a test email, and then everything works perfectly. Once you add anything similar, so you will be seeing server added here, and just come here and click the settings. So we have three types. Let's A can write your emails. For that, you need to buy the AA credits. Okay, you can buy AA credits from here. This is a place where you can buy the AA credits. This is the for $25 you get the 1,000 AA credits and all this stuff, and you will be having credit history like how many credits you spent on sending server name. So on purchase history, whenever you buy any credits, it shows the purchase history. And then let's go back to the add warm-up servers. Once you add any SMTP server, and then just come here and in the settings, we have one is A will write, just keep this, hi, hello, dear, it's dynamically changed and take the first name. Our C list, have a first name and last name. So you can choose a first name here and the prompt, you can write something like this, the prompt, and then the subject line like this and hyperlink that you want to use it, keep it here. And you can mention like how many years, emails after you want to send the fresh content. For example, if you keep here 10, it's going to generate content. It's going to consume this many credits for every time whenever you generate the new content. So, and this is a signature. You can have a server name. This is sending server name. Like this is Sophia Bennett, that one. And you can check the preview. This is how it's going to write the dynamic emails to send this email to the, C list. If you think like, I don't want to spend money for AA and all this stuff, then obviously you can choose this one. Here you can write your subject line and then the content, email content with hyperlinks and everything. And if you have a HTML that you want to warm up, and then simply type the subject in the configure. In the email templates, you need to add the first template here. Okay, you can create a template or you can choose any template from the base gallery. Okay, here we have a lot of templates. You can choose this or else you can create one. Just simply click here, give it as template, and then choose any of these frames or else any of the existing, templates. Once you choose and hit the start design. So here you can design the entire template the way you want it. Okay, this is one way of creating your own template. Here we have a drag and drop and all this stuff, like very regular, stuff that you can do. And then that template, you can actually come back here and then in the settings, if you go to HTML, create template, click here, and then it will show you how this template looks and use the template means it's gonna take you to here. So here you can pick up whatever template is, one which you created already, my templates. Here you can see your templates. The test one which I created. Or else you can upload a new template here straight away. That solve your problem, immediately. And so here we have a file structure and everything you can download. Sample file also from the index. Here you can download the sample file. So that's how you can enter, and then you can configure. Remember, at very beginning, just go 100% Gmail. Let's first Gmail get it. The reason is Gmail has the 100% evidence that it can show us the whether your domain achieved the high open rate or not. It's always better. I would recommend like going with 100% Gmail, and then later you can do whatever that would like to distribute your seed list across this and other things that you can do. And reply to. So if you wish to enable reply to, first what you need to do is you have to go to the configurations, and then here you need to first go to reply to address. You have to verify reply to addresses. When you verify the reply to addresses, you can see here that because we only send you the replies if you have a verified reply to address. So, and then once you add the reply to address here, something like this, and then you can say here, if you have a custom SMTP, start always with a 50 and increase every day 50, and you can go to a maximum 1500, 200, 15,000, 10,000. This is a maximum threshold. Once it reaches the threshold, it will stop here and it will keep sending 15,000 every day. It depends upon your SMTP. Like you can go 500, you can go 1,000 per day. If you have a strong SMTP, you can start with any of the numbers. So, and then this is a daily warm-up maximum limit. Like once it reaches here, it keeps sending 15,000. And second thing is like if you disable this, say example, you can keep here 10,000. And if you disable slow warm-up, it will start sending 10,000 straight away day one. And it will stop once it reaches the 50,000. Stop in the sense, it will stop increasing it. And then it will keep sending 15,000 every day. And here, always go with a 5% reply rate. So we send 5% replies to the email ID given here, and which has to be verified in configurations and in the reply to address. So once it is done, and then if you would like to send even weekends, and just leave it as is, otherwise just disable it so that it send the emails only weekdays, not the weekends. Tracking domain also, you need to verify the tracking domain from tracking domains in the configurations. So here you have to verify the tracking domains, and then once you verify the tracking domains, so it show up all the tracking domains. You can choose, and you can choose the time zone that you want to choose. So it will start sending emails at that time zone, and then these are the very generic like. So though you keep 70 here, sometimes you open 80%, 90% also. All this is important. And second thing is like, what is the time gap that you want to give between each email it is going to deliver to our seed list? 2 seconds, 5 seconds. Keep always 5 seconds or 2 seconds, 2 to 5 seconds between. So that helps you a lot. Like, when you send emails so quick, Google will start tracking you, your domain reputation, everything. So these are the basic things that, and then how do you understand the statistics? Like say example, here we have features like day, yesterday, day before yesterday, 7 days, So if you see here, today we delivered 999. Okay, let's go with yesterday's, Yesterday we delivered on 750, and then out of 750 we have 458 opened. Out of 458, around 96 or like click and inbox and everything. So you see all the statistics. There are 4 emails landed in the tabs. We moved them to the inbox. Here you can see that, and there are 88 replies that sent. And then if you check today, there are almost 1,000 emails were delivered, and we have a 652 opens and the click rates and all this stuff. And then day before yesterday and last 7 days, if you check last 7 days, around 3,000 emails are sent. And last 30 days, if you check last 30 days, these many emails were sent. And if you check last 12 months, so this is how you can check all the statistics. And if you see these statistics, and last 1 week, 7,400 emails, 7,500 emails were sent. Out of them, 13% are spam. So these spam emails are moved to the inbox. Okay, and how many tabs are there in marked emails? Like we marked around 98% emails as important. This is going to be, super good for you to understand how this works in this stuff. This is last 1 month how we've been sending emails and all. So we have clients where we send thousands of emails, 100,000s of emails. The big clients, volumes and all. So this is something that helps you to understand. So, okay, how your domain is, gaining reputation and reducing this. For example, last 30 days, the spam average is 4.9. This is the volume that we've been sending. And if you check last 7 days, the spam is zero. And day before yesterday, spam is zero. Yeah, that's cool, right? Yeah. So you see that the spam and tabs are now become totally zero. Tabs are 12, and day before yesterday, till few emails are landing in tabs, but today no email landed in tabs. So it takes literally some time to get 100% inbox, placement, but it's going to work. This is how you can actually check. And if you want to watch the demo videos, you can watch more demo videos here. That's how it works. Thanks. And coming to the pricing part, the pricing is we have a pricing here one time. These are the one-time credits you can buy. You get these many credits. And if you would like to buy monthly, you can buy monthly. There are cases like you don't want to share your SMTP, but you want to still get your domain warm-up done. Then in this case, we give you IP address and SMTP. We use that SMTP to send emails and get the high domain reputation like this. So, but we don't give you our SMTP to deliver your real-time emails or live emails. These are just to warm up your domain and maintain your domain reputation always high for that purpose. Okay, so this monthly you can purchase. So every day you can send 1,100, but your budget you're gonna spend $150. $250 per month every day you're going to send 2,500. $500 is the monthly budget. Every day you're gonna send 6,000 credits. So we give you SMTP and we keep sending emails. This SMTP is only for warm up. This is not for sending any real campaigns. And you can see the credits, how we've been using credits. Everything is transparent, purchase history and subscriptions monthly. You can cancel the monthly subscriptions here itself. This is how it works. Thank you very much.